I want to know what things we have to do to become good in analytics, in data analytics.
Sure thing. Let's break down the key steps to becoming proficient in data analytics. First, build a strong foundation in statistics and mathematics. That gives you the tools to understand data distributions, probabilities, and trends. Second, get comfortable with programming languages like Python or R, which are widely used in data manipulation and analysis. Third, learn SQL to handle databases and retrieve data efficiently. Fourth, practice using data visualization tools such as Tableau or Power BI to present your findings clearly. Fifth, work on real projects or datasets, like analyzing sales or customer data, to build experience. Finally, stay curious and keep learning. Data analytics is a rapidly evolving field. Would you like tips on specific tools or more details on any step?
Like I know SQL very good. How do I become more proficient in analyzing data and thinking and data about data?
Got it. Since you're already good with SQL, let's build on that and focus on enhancing your data analysis and thinking skills. First, get familiar with data manipulation libraries in Python, such as pandas and NumPy, to handle and preprocess data effectively. Second, work on exploratory data analysis, EDA techniques. Try summarizing main characteristics and spotting patterns or outliers. Third, practice formulating and testing hypotheses with your data. This sharpens your analytical thinking. Fourth, delve into statistical modeling and machine learning basics to predict or classify outcomes from your data. Fifth, improve problem solving by engaging with real world datasets. Try Kaggle competitions or open data projects. Would you like resources or examples to practice these areas?
No, I presently working in a company, e-commerce company, where I am constantly working on data from past 3 years. I've worked on multiple projects like retention from all the data from user entering the app to going to home page, search page, then product detail page, then going from there to click buy, from buy to add to cart or going to checkout. I have worked on all these data types. Also worked on referral program, multiple things I have worked in. Now I want to know how like Python can help me in that, since I am writing a SQL query in SQL, whatever I am needed I just write and got the result. But how should Python help me to optimize my analytics part? Does it even needed to learn the Python or R, or with simple knowing the SQL is sufficient?
I see. While SQL is great for querying and retrieving data, Python can help you go beyond that. With Python, you can automate data processing, perform complex statistical analyses, and build predictive models. Libraries like pandas and NumPy assist with data manipulation, while libraries like scikit-learn help with machine learning. In short, Python enhances your capabilities beyond what SQL can do alone. If you're looking to scale up your analytics and apply machine learning or automation, learning Python is definitely beneficial. Would you like recommendations on where to start with Python and analytics?
Let me let you can help me to how, or let me you can explain to understand how the Python libraries can help to deeply analyze my data. Let's suppose as of now I'm working on retention part. I am working like working on CRM system, like notification, like email, WhatsApp, SMS, using multiple channels to retain the users of uh, our app. In that I'm working like sending notification, like targeting the users who have drop off from search page or cart page or checkout, using my own system app, recommending products to find out what products I have to nurse to the user. Like let's suppose for example, user have browse like shirt or kurti. Since I have already the recommendation data, what shirts I have to nurse to the user, or let's suppose user have ordered shirt, so what other buckets I have to nudge. I am nudging already using my SQL by taking own data. How in this situation Python help me to optimize this?
Got it. Let me break down how Python can help optimize your user retention and recommendation efforts. First, you can use pandas to clean and manipulate your data, such as filtering users who dropped off at specific steps or identifying popular products. Next, you can use scikit-learn or other machine learning libraries to build recommendation models, such as collaborative filtering or content-based filtering, to suggest products to users. Additionally, you can automate sending notifications, email, SMS, WhatsApp, based on user behavior using libraries like smtplib or third-party APIs. Finally, visualizing results with matplotlib or seaborn can help you understand patterns and improve strategies. In short, Python extends your SQL capabilities and helps with automation, modeling, and visualization. Would you like guidance on specific libraries or examples?
I'm not able to understand how this is going to help, since already in app we are using a recommendation system in SQL. Simply what I can do, let's suppose a user is browsing a search on that page. We have already a recommendation system where I know what best products fits to that user. So I'm simply from SQL, from table, I extracting the data what user have seen the product, or what from what bucket user belongs. I simply take recommendation from my own model and sending the notification or email, whatever. I want to know how in this Python help. Give me proper example, not just in random in air you are talking like that.
Got it. Let me give you a concrete example. Let's say you have user interaction logs in a database and you're trying to predict what products to recommend. In Python, you can use pandas to load and manipulate the data, and scikit-learn to build a recommendation model. For instance, you can gather user behavior, such as which products they viewed or purchased, into pandas data frame. Then you can use a scikit-learn algorithm, like collaborative filtering or a nearest neighbor approach, to predict related products. After that, you can loop through your product catalog and use Python to send targeted notifications via email or SMS. In code terms, 1. Use pandas to load your data. 2. Use scikit-learn to train and predict product recommendations. 3. Use libraries like smtplib or APIs to send notifications. Would you like help with specific code snippets or further details on any part?
Okay, I got it somehow. I got it little bit. Okay, thanks. Bye.
You're welcome. If you have more questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.